This episode is all about the Fjällräven Singi 48. The Fjällräven Singi 48 liters. You can buy this one in 48 liters, 28 liters and 20 liters. That's the smallest one. Side pockets are available, which gives you an extra 4 liters volume. I have 2 of those, and that makes a total of 56 liters of volume. There is a gear bag you can purchase. I use my axe in there. If you have a weapon to bring, you can put it in there as well, or some water or what you want. Available in different colors. My personal favorite, olive green, like my anorak number 8. But it's absolutely enough space for long day trips, several day trips, and light packing week trips, I would say. Let's give it a closer look. As you can see, there's ropes stick to this backpack everywhere, even here, and that makes it possible to connect gear bags or side pockets as you want, wherever you want. So you can lift them up or down. I put one in the front, that bit down. You can put them wherever you want. On the side there are some strips. Also nice, I think, to have this when you have a long axe like we have here. Easy to get it stuck. And it's also with this loop. Alright, then we have this big top lock. If you don't want to use it, or if you have a lot of important stuff which you need to have in another place, you can just click it off and then it's lift off. I think like most backpacks have one small keys, wallet, and then you have a bigger one. Some lamps and stuff, so you can click it off. Nice one. So then here you have this strip you can connect, and this is where I use my anorak always. So I put my anorak when it's not that cold or windy. Here also some extra, if you have keys or whatever, you can strip it on. Let's see, side pockets, yes. Quite an simple but inventive system. Just a hook. Basic, functional. Open it. Here I have my fire material and some gloves and all that kind of stuff. So everything at one place. Over here the gear bag then. This one was a little bit new for me. You have to pull it up and then you can loosen it. And also some extra elastic strings. You can put it whenever you want. Lot of possibilities.
Nice.
So you can bring a shitload. Alright, and let's see here. Not to forget the backpack, adjustable. You can see here the wood goes all the way up. That makes it possible with this system to adjust it in height to fit your back exactly what you want.
Nice big pads.
Big pads, good isolation, strong hip, braces there, and also pocket to the side. So here I got some fire stuff, and if it's not gonna work, then we have some emergency fire kit. On the other side, I always have a Leatherman with me, and that fits perfectly. I think it's super practical. I'm really happy with this one, and it just works really well for me. Let's show you what this backpack hides inside. First we're gonna get rid of the axe. It has one extra click there. Then just... it's quite tight, so you will not lose a big axe like this. Here's the axe. Let's see. My kitchen spices. Oh, this one put under my ass, nice and warm, from reindeer. Some knives, gear back. It's also gear back from Fjällräven, olive green of course. Here you have some water, put like that. Easy to bring with you. It's cold today. Extra clothes. Small field kitchen. A small kettle and a frying pan. Some what's called tallrik. What's plates. Oh yeah, and very big, heavy hobo stove. More water. A chair, small chair. Most important. First aid kit, never forget that one. Let's see. Cutting board, always good. Chop some stuff. Here we have some more kitchen stuff. Let's see. Some towels. Where is also the most important? Here. Toilet paper. You don't want to guess how often I have been shitting in the forest. Let's see. I think some more. Yeah. Here we got some firewood. I think I have some more firewood. Yep. One piece more. I packed it in well. 3 pieces of firewood. That must have been the last piece of firewood. Oh shit, an axe. Today I brought apparently 2 axes. That is not needed when you're going out, but today I did that. Some food. Yeah, it's a baguette, piece of bread. We're gonna prepare later today really good food. I think it's pretty empty now. So as you can see, this backpack has a lot of space to put stuff in to bring with you. Great volume. My conclusion about this backpack: it is the best backpack I have bought. It's just really nice. See you later.